Hey guys, my name is AKETQ and I am back with another video. Oh, I need a new intro. But anyways, today I'm not fixing my room, but I am doing one step that will make me revamp my... Is it really revamping? Please do not ask me why do I have so many pillows. I just want to... show you one of the other reasons why I am painting. During winter, there was a lot going on with this room and I didn't like it, so I did use Ilapo to wipe everything, but it's not wiping. You can see here, like, it's not... Don't ask me why I still have this on. I don't know. So this is one of the reasons I'm also... I don't know if you can see, there's like a different paint. This is a bit darker, this is white. You see? If ever you have been following me by now, you should know I like free things. Anyways, I got these items, which is like my paint and my paint brushes and all that, from Take A Lot, but I got vouchers from Mahola and Panel Smart. I couldn't get any tint to make that white paint. I got to mix it with that, and then there's like black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, or whatsoever. But I love this side because it also has my prayer board. So I'm just gonna put the masking tape on the side and then we just paint. Yeah, well. This is before. this is like the first coat, but it already looks bad. It already thought I was not painting on my own. I'm literally painting on my own. I think we're just gonna have to call it a day because I am tired, not because I was painting, but I did drink this thing that cleanses your tummy, so I was like up and down to the toilet, and it's tiring, but I'll just sleep for like an hour or so, then I'll decide what I'm gonna do. I'll wake up probably and edit this, but anyways, let me show you how far we are now. And then I think I should move those things there, or should I do it tomorrow when I think I'll just do it tomorrow. But anyways, this is where we at. And then this is the other side I did show you. So what is this now? Oh, a shadow. Hey. I still need to retouch there, and then so I haven't gone there yet. I still need to go this side, so we're left with that side and that side. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It's not even a vlog. I hope you enjoyed this process of me painting my room to make it feel like home, to make it look nice. And I am still gonna make more of this, but do leave a comment if ever there's anything you would like to see, or there's anything you feel like I should correct. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share if you can. Thank you so much. Bye.